What's up? I'm Karl, and if you are going to be in the Louisville area on July 24th, I would like to invite you to attend the ATDKY Chapter meeting. I'm going to be the guest speaker, and I'm sharing a new project I've been working on called Blended Learning Recipes. In this series of food-based metaphors, you're going to learn how the brain feeds on information and ways that you can change your tune and take a fresh approach towards blended learning. In this approach, we look at blended learning technologies, the different things that you can use. Maybe it's videos, maybe it's an online course, maybe it's an old school technology like a chair that you sit in next to someone else sitting in a chair and you have a discussion. So we look at all those different technologies like the ingredients you would put together in a meal. What combinations can you come up with? So that is going to be a fun and interactive session. If you're interested in a new slant on blended learning, or maybe you just like food puns, I encourage you to sign up today. We will have a special optional happy hour for those of you who are interested in finishing up a flavorful session with a nice drink afterward. So again, please sign up today. Hope you can make it.